So I'm at Misoya, so a Japanese restaurant, and they specialize in katsu. So I got a katsu A set, that's what they're best known for. It comes with regular katsu, a prawn katsu, and cheese katsu. On top of that, it also comes with udon. And I forgot what the fish eggs in Japanese is called, but it comes with a fish egg don. So fish eggs on top of seaweed, on top of rice. I'm gonna start off with the udon. Oh, it smells lovely. Oh, it's hot. Nice and chewy. The fish cake has a sakura on it. Drip. Pork. Cheese and pork. There's a little girl going on the floor on the other side of this glass window. Pretty adorable. Alright, now time to get back to finish laundry. Dinner was amazing. I kind of knew this was going to be good though. It's great. It's been cold and rainy all day, so I had soup for lunch and this fried food for dinner. It hits the spot. Alright, until the next video.